wonderful being. I respect myself and those around me. I embrace positive change and reject all habits that arise from fear. I am in a safe place where I allow myself to express feelings of anger and sadness.
And
I love myself.
very good. So, something we touched upon last week, Lorraine, was separation anxiety. You said your partner was asking for a little more space in the relationship. Is that right?
Yes. He says I'm lazy, and he has to do everything around the house.
Dependency issues, definitely. Okay,
Says he feels suffocated. And
Go on.
he wants to spend some time apart. I just don't know what to do.
Okay, Lorraine's partner is sending her a very clear message. How should she deal with this? Anyone? Todd?
Watch a movie with a tub of ice cream?
Oh, I think we're projecting.
Look, it's obvious. Why doesn't she just stop being such a parasite and give the guy a break?
No, I can't live without Michael.
Well, perhaps spending some time apart isn't such a bad idea. It might allow you to grow emotionally.
No! I hate being on my own. I have panic attacks.
Lorraine,
It
it's
makes
okay,
me-
it's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
I
Take a
can't
deep breath.
breathe.
Take a deep breath. See? You're fine.
This is better. I feel safe in here.
Yeah, you're safe.
Oh, really?
You must be Victor. My name is Leonard. Please, come in, take a seat. Okay, everyone, this is Victor, and he will be joining our group. So, Victor, would you like to tell us something about yourself?
Nope.
Well, don't be afraid, we don't bite. Okay, well, why don't we continue until Victor feels a little more comfortable? Lorraine, you were saying that... Huh? Victor! Oh my... Why are you sitting there? You're sitting on someone! Get up!
Huh?
Stand up! What are you... Lorraine, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
What?
Who is this? Oh, I can... The things I saw, the things I smell.
Oh, okay. Well, why don't we, move on? Okay, Cheryl, last week you were talking about how hard it is to find a long-term relationship. Cheryl? Cheryl?
Oh, right. Okay, yeah. It's not easy when you're a single parent. I've placed ads, I've used dating sites, but I have to say I've got 1,000 kids, and that can be a real turnoff for some.
And?
Well, also that I kill and eat my boyfriends during sex.
What? Ugh.
That is so gross.
Really? A blood-sucking leech is judging my relationship? No, I don't think
A
so.
praying mantis is telling
Excuse
me not
me.
to feed off my boyfriend?
Really?
At least I don't bite his head off during sex.
You should watch your mouth,
Don't tell me to
sweetheart.
watch my mouth.
Okay. Thank you. Clearly, sexual cannibalism is, for some, still a taboo.
Really? My taboo list is very short, but that one is definitely on it.
Do you want to tell us a little bit more about this, Liz?
Nope.
Well, you know, Jeffrey's also had a hard time opening up, but watch this. Jeffrey, I want you to close your eyes and imagine yourself as a child.
Okay.
How do you feel?
Oh, fine, thank you. And you?
No, I'm fine, but no, okay? Cast your mind back to when you were a little child. How do you feel, Jeffrey?
Cold. Very cold and hungry.
Where's your mother?
Mommy? Mommy? Where are you? I'm hungry. Come back.
Are you alone?
Mommy?
Yeah, call out to your mommy. Call out to her.
Mommy!
Are you alone? Are you alone in the nest?
No. There's an egg. It's hatching. No. I don't want to share my
Who's
worms.
hatching, Jeffrey? Who's coming out of that egg?
Baby Alan.
No!
Why is it bad, Jeffrey?
He's eating my worm! Stop it! Stop it! It's mine! I've got to do something. I know. It'll look like he fell. Oh no. I did it. He killed my little brother. I broke my mother's heart! No! Oh, what? Hello.
It's okay, Jeffrey.
It's okay.
No, Victor, it's not okay, but remember, Jeffrey was just a child, and he was faced with some very difficult choices.
Oh, look, I don't eat worms, but I can relate to
Oh,
Jeffrey's
there's something
feeling.
you don't eat. Amazing.
No, not at all. Todd, in fact, is a recovering chocoholic, and he's making excellent progress.
I haven't touched a truffle in over a month.
Why is everyone clapping? He's been stuffing his face the whole time.
No, I haven't.
Oh,
Okay, that is gross.
It's just a hairball.
do you really have to do that?
I'm not clean.
That's really impossible.
I'm not.
Look, you haven't stopped licking yourself since I got here, so I think you can stop now.
No, Victor, look, we can't just tell someone to stop. Dealing with compulsive behavior takes time. I know. It used to be that I couldn't meet another dog without stuffing my snout right up his rear end. Oh, it was like a drug. The smell to me like toasted marshmallows or a warm apple pie fresh out of the oven.
No, that's not anything like pie.
You see, I learned to control my urge and even redirect it into something more positive.
More positive than sticking your face up someone's butt? That shouldn't be too difficult.
No, Victor, the point is it took time.
Yeah? Well, I don't have the time and my meter's about to run out. So see ya.
No, Victor, look at it this way. The mind is like an onion. We need to peel back the layers one by one until we finally discover the beautiful person inside. That takes time.
No! Look, that's stupid. You peel an onion and you get more onion. That's it.
Yes, I see what you're saying,
Oh,
but...
jeez. My eyes.
He's crying.
I'm not crying.
Victor, I think you're missing the point.
No! The point is you need to stop gazing at your own navels and just get on with your lives.
Oh, what?
Okay. Excuse me for 1 second.
Why are we listening to this guy? I mean, what is your problem?
I don't have a problem.
Oh, yeah? Then why are you here?
Okay, fine. You want to know what my problem is? I'll tell you. That I have to deal with idiots.
Idiot. Okay.
Yeah. Look, like just last week, I was at the supermarket in the express line, and this guy's staring at me. So I say, "What's your problem, pal?" He starts telling me, "Ooh, you're in the express lane with 11 items. There's an 8-item limit."
But he's right.
Yeah, but big deal. I mean, what's this guy doing counting my basket? And anyway, do a bunch of bananas count as 1 item or 5?
And how did you deal with this situation?
Well, I apologized and moved to the checkout for people with 11 items.
I don't have a response. Yeah.
Are you kidding me? I grabbed his basket, tore open his bag of frozen peas, and told him that now he has 800 items and to go to the 800-item checkout. I mean, what a complete idiot!
Okay, I'm sensing a theme here. Does anyone have any thoughts?
Anger issues?
Yes, with? Anybody? With?
Oh,
Oh!
Lorraine?
Frozen peas?
No, I don't think that peas are the issue.
look, I'm not some specimen in your science class, okay?
I'm sensing some hostility.
Really? Hostility? You want to think about that?
No, I'm pretty sure there's some hostility.
That's why you're a shrink, Leonard, because you have a nose for this kind of thing. That is when your nose isn't up someone else's butt.
I hardly ever. I mean, I don't do that anymore.
Ugh, you just don't get it.
No, you don't get it.
Victor, we want to help you, but the first step is to admit there's a problem.
I don't have a problem!
Okay, you are so in denial.
Ah! I am not! There's nothing wrong with me! I'm an ape!
Okay.
I'm the boss!
Victor!
I'm the king of the jungle!
Victor, I think you should sit down.
Shut up! Shut up! Don't tell me what to do! I'm sick of people telling me what to do!
bathroom break?
Oh my God!
Please!
Victor!
What? Dr. Clement, help!
Shut up! Shut up! All of you! What are you doing? Get off of me!
Oh, I think this is yours. Whew. Right. Where were we? Okay, so patient demonstrates signs of hostility, denial, aggression.
Look at me. I'm a monster. I hate myself. I don't know why.
Okay, Victor, this is positive, but maybe hate is a little strong.
I've always had to be the tough guy, and everyone just expected it. And I don't know how to stop.
You can stop, Victor. That's why you're here.
Yes, I know. Whew. Gosh, I feel a little better now. Thank you, Leonard.
You're welcome, Victor. Well, good work, everybody. See you all next week.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Great session.
What is going on? Why is everyone leaving?
The session is over, Victor.
What are you talking about? It just started.
Yes, a very good start. And we'll continue this next week. I look forward to it.
Are you kidding? I can't wait till next week.
Bye, Victor.
I got more to say now.
Hey, big guy. You got any plans tonight? I got a babysitter for the maggots.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah, that would be great. Whew. 1,000 kids?